How can microfiber be so small? Microfiber lens cloths are made of tiny fibers that are much thinner than a human hair, typically around 1/5 the diameter of a human hair. Microfiber is a type of synthetic fiber that is typically made from polyester, nylon, or a blend of both. The reason microfiber can be so small is due to advancements in technology and manufacturing processes. The fibers are produced using a process called splitting, which involves splitting a larger fiber into smaller fibers. This process creates extremely fine fibers that are much thinner than traditional fibers. Because the individual fibers in microfiber are so small, they are able to trap and hold onto dust, dirt, and other particles more effectively than larger fibers. This makes microfiber a popular material for cleaning cloths, towels, and other cleaning products. Microfiber is also known for its softness and absorbency, making it a popular material for clothing, bedding, and other textiles. It is also durable and easy to care for, making it a versatile material for a wide range of applications. In summary, microfiber is so small due to advancements in fiber manufacturing technology and the splitting process that creates extremely fine fibers. These small fibers provide benefits such as increased cleaning effectiveness, softness, and absorbency, making microfiber a popular material for a wide range of products. Follow and subscribe for more.